welcome back to London's Toy Box. Today, I am going to be doing some Frankenstein Rice Krispies. So make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. And so we can get to this awesome baking. Let's go. Okay guys, the ingredients that you need for your Frankenstein Rice Krispie is your non-stick cooking sheet, cooking spray, your butter, Rice Krispies, your candy eyes, green food coloring, your orange and black icing, marshmallows, and your pop sticks. Okay guys, before we melt the marshmallows and Rice Krispies, we need our non-stick cooking sheet and our cooking spray. So I'm gonna open this cap and I'm gonna spray it. Alright guys, first step is you're going to pour in your 2 tablespoons of butter inside the pot. And you want to make sure that it is like liquidy when you like mix it. And let's put that down. We are going to mix it in the pot. And the pot is really hot, so you want to make sure you don't touch any part except you are just mixing it. So you want to have an adult right by you when you're doing this, okay guys? I'm going to pour in my green food coloring. So let's pour it in. Ooh, look at it. Okay, I think that is all. And we're just going to mix it. Wow, the butter is kind of turning green now, guys. Look at it. It is now turning green, guys, like a witch potion. I'm going to pour in all the marshmallows. Whoa, these marshmallows are kind of not coming out. Come on, marshmallows. You got this. Come on. All marshmallows come out, okay, guys? I'm just gonna go get the marshmallows. There's one marshmallow. Now I am going to just mix the marshmallows. Wow, look at the marshmallows. They are turning green, guys. Look at them. Guys, these look like green brains or something. Like it looks so green. Like it's super pretty. Just like my green hair. And look at it. It just looks like a zombie brain or something. Some kind of green brain or something. Once your parent pours this in, you are going to just flatten this out all the way. Look at it. It looks like green brains. Yummy. Green brains, guys. Whoa, look at it. It's so sticky. Look at it just going up like that. I'm just going to kind of do that. Look at it. It's kind of shaped like a brain, guys. A big old brain. You're gonna cut the Frankenstein's head. And there you go. A perfect Frankenstein head. Look at that. It's green. And it's super cute. But there's something we need to do with this. Guys, last part. I'm so excited. You get to decorate them. So I'm going to use a black first. And I'm going to put on some hair for him. Or this can be like an eyebrow. Yeah, that is a perfect eyebrow, guys. Now, I'm going to put a a smiley face on the Frankenstein. Look at it. I'm gonna put like a little face like that. Look at it. It kind of looks like a smiley face. Now I'm gonna put it on 2 candy eyes. This is the one. And this candy eye broke. So I'm gonna use another candy eye. And I'm gonna put on this one. There it is. Now I'm gonna use the black again for the filling in the mouth. Wow, look at it. Isn't it super creepy? Well, now I am just going to put actually I'm gonna just kind of put like a little bit of a circle around the eye. Look at it, it's so funny. I'm putting a little circle around the eye, and I'm gonna put a little nose. Look at the nose. It looks like he's actually wearing glasses, guys. I'm gonna actually put a black part right there for kind of like the glasses part. There we go. It looks like the Frankenstein is wearing glasses, guys. Now, I'm gonna put some hair on him, and I'm gonna use orange hair. Some people can be different when what they want to create from their Frankenstein. Hair on him. There we go. And the last part I'm gonna do is a chin. A black chin, guys. And I'm just gonna put a little orange on the chin. Beep. A little bump on his chin. Okay, guys, this is my Frankenstein, guys. I hope that you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Welcome to London Story.